Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the 10th annual Europa Property Investment and Manufacturing Awards. This year, as you can see, we're live and online, transmitting to the world. Moving on, we'll start with the M&A Awards. We've got our M&A section, and so now we'll just to make sure. Agata,
Yeah,
you ready? Paul,
absolutely.
are you ready?
I'm ready.
Is everyone in the audience ready to start the awards?
Yeah.
Great. Well, we hope you are, because we're going to start anyway.
Okay, the first award in the M&A Awards category is M&A Professional Service Provider of the Year.
Gosh, you're so fast. Just go to that one then. Okay, so our M&A Awards, always exciting. Always a whole new group of people getting involved. So,
And here are the nominees: DROOMS, 4Data, Executive Club, and Spaceflow.
okay, so there's the short list. Gosh, this is our first one. We'll see how it goes here. So, and the winner of this award is, little drum roll, and
sit down.
DROOMS. All right. Well,
Wow.
way to go.
And do we have somebody from DROOMS on Zoom?
Or do we have the representative from Chris Beckman from Zoom, from DROOMS to come on? Chris, welcome and congratulations on winning M&A Professional Service Provider of the Year.
Thank you for the opportunity to participate and support Europa Property in their award ceremonies. We're honored. This is the fourth time, I think, and I think it's a little bit of recognition for the technological advances we're pushing. We've got new tools out for portfolio management. We can translate into a multitude of languages, and the toast actually goes out to the team of DROOMS who make these things. Thank you very much for the recognition. We're really honored.
Well, congratulations, and obviously welcome to Central Eastern Europe a few years ago, and now you're already winning, so great job. And have a good evening.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thanks.
Cheers.
Thanks, Chris.